I'm creating this video because my friend Karen requested it. I'm going to quickly open a Google Meeting. In order for you to either blur your background or add a different background, you have to click on the icon or the button that has the 3 dots, which says more options, and then apply visual effects. In order for me to show you that I'm actually changing things, I have to turn on my camera. Right now, I have the blur your background effect. This is why this looks blurry. If I want to have less of a blur, I would click on this one here, which shows you it's a little bit less. And then if I don't want to blur it, I just click on this one. And then this is what it looks like. You can also do a change of background. I think this is what Karen was asking me to do. Let's say I want to use this background. I don't like to do background changes. I don't like to add backgrounds because of my hair. You see when you move that it makes it look weird, but a lot of other people do. I've seen other people using them. I'd rather blur it. It still looks a little bit funky, but it looks better, at least to me. I like to use this one. And a lot of the times I actually don't use the visual effects. That's pretty much it. That's how you blur your background or change your background. After you've done whatever changes you've made, you have to close this out, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, please. Bye.